Hey guys, good morning to one and all. I'm doing good. How you guys are doing? Please let me know in the comment section. This is yesterday's continuation vlog, guys. Who have not seen yesterday's vlog, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. Please go ahead and watch it. Today we're gonna have a very tasty breakfast: chicken fry, chicken curry with idli. And wow, we're gonna enjoy, guys. And now we started preparing idli. Here what they did, they have not greased the idli molds with the oil, guys. They just grease with the water and they just pour the batter. And let's see how idlis will be. Meanwhile, I just came here to see my son what he is doing. Still he's playing in the mud only, but he's enjoying there.
Ice cold, swimming against the tide. I wanna forget you, but you pull me in.
Chicken is cooked perfectly, and can you see the texture of the chicken fry, guys? That's it. We need to cut off the stove now.
Let me forget you. Ice cold, swimming against.
This is peanut and rice flour chakli, guys, which is very tasty. In future I'm gonna try it. And these are semolina laddu, very tasty she prepared. And this recipe, it's already there in our channel. Here we started preparing for the breakfast chana dal vada. For that I'm just adding the onion, green chilies, coriander leaves.
Swimming against the tide.
Recipe is grandma's only, but I'm just helping her.
But you pull me in. I know this ocean is far too wide. I wanna forget you. Let me forget you. Ice cold, swimming against the tide. I wanna forget you, but you pull me in.
So here idlis are ready. Now I'm going to show you how soft it is.
Wanna forget you. Let me forget you. Ice cold, swimming against the tide. I wanna forget you, but you pull me in.
So here idli, wow, it's very soft, guys. Guys, can you see this vessel, which is very small, guys, and it is very cute to see. And we can store any small quantity. If we are preparing any recipes, we can store in this. So I really like it. This is again our relative's house only. Here there is a beautiful flowers that are with the different colors. So please watch it.
Wanna forget you. Let me forget you. Ice cold, swimming against the tide. I wanna forget you, but you pull me in. I know this ocean is far too wide. I wanna forget you. Let me forget you. Ice cold, swimming against the tide. I wanna forget.
So yeah, we're done with our breakfast, guys. It was really very tasty. I definitely gonna try this recipe in future. So please don't forget to subscribe our channel. My son is playing with a straw. He is just sucking the water, but it is not coming, but he's just trying it out.
Ice cold, swimming
He just had the breakfast and slept. And you know, guys, where he's sleeping? On the rope bed. Very comfortably he's sleeping, and outside that too. But guys, we really enjoyed a lot coming here.
wanna forget you.
It's 1:30 now, still my son is sleeping and our lunch is ready. So I have a plan of having it outside only. So join me guys. Why I told I'm gonna have outside? Just because of this nature guys. You can see the mountains, you can see the greenery and the fresh air, along with that egg curry and the rice and chicken. Very tasty guys. I'm really enjoying the each bite. After coming here, sitting outside, we really don't know how much we're having because the quantity really increases by looking at the nature. After having a lunch, we are just going back guys. So here the gates has been closed because the train is gonna come it seems. So even I'm so excited to watch the train so closer. So let's see, and meanwhile I'm gonna show you how the surroundings are.
Ocean is far too wide. I wanna forget you. Let me forget you.
So now the train is about to come. Please watch it guys. So now guys, how you guys felt watching the train sound as well as the train? And I was really enjoyed a lot watching so closer, and the sound bit scared also but enjoyed. On the way while going, I saw the bats in a group and it was really bit scary only, but good to see. On the way we have a plan of going for a mango market. Here we'll be getting plenty of varieties of mangoes. We are very choosy in mango varieties guys. Only few we would like to have. And here that variety is there or not I'm not sure, but let's see. People who visit this mango market, they will buy in a bulk because they'll be getting it for a wholesale price.
Ocean is far too wide. I wanna forget you. Let me forget you. Ice cold, swimming against the tide. I wanna forget you, but you pull me in. I know this ocean is far too wide. I wanna forget you. Let me forget you. Ice cold, swimming against the tide. I wanna forget you, but you pull me in. I know this ocean is far too wide. I wanna forget you. Let me forget you. Ice cold, swimming against the tide. I wanna forget you, but you pull me in. I know this ocean is far too wide. I wanna forget you. Let me forget.
We did not get the variety which we needed, but finally we had an experience of visiting this mango market. It's good to see the different types of mangoes in a bulk. This is how they will pack the mangoes in containers or tractors. So however they are comfortable with, directly from the farm or from the different markets. they'll be getting transferred and they'll be selling it here, sometimes wholesale, sometimes retail. So it depends on the situation, on the demand. That's all for today's one. Thanks for being with me again. Stay strong, stay safe, stay home. Let's catch up with a new vlog again tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.